All right. We're minutes away from the closing bell, and you'll probably hear it ringing away. So, what are we looking at, kids? Look at that right there. This 30 minutes closing in a hammer. So we'll see how that does us for tomorrow. If we open up within that bar and then break tomorrow, that'll probably be our move, our opening move. But the daily closed below the 8 day and closed below the upper Keltner. So I'm figuring that we're heading for about chia, for about 44, 47. Not a bad number. But I think our first stop. Oh, what happened here? Our first stop is 44.81, and we may bounce off of that 44.81. We could bounce right here, but with that close, I'm thinking 44.81 is a good number. So we'll keep an eye on that and see what we do with that for tomorrow. And when we look at the Bitcoin, Bitcoin, trading pretty much like the market, staying above the 8 day, which is pretty cool. It's holding some strength, but I don't know if it's going to rally without the S&P. So, but we have Fed tomorrow, and I think everybody's backing away because of the Fed. And after the minutes, we'll see how the market reacts and if the market still has confidence. We put this pennant in this morning, and we broke it, turned around, and once you saw that, you should have known that it's going to retrace. But we're testing the low again, and it's getting rejected. So I think we're going to do a little consolidating again. Nothing's going to happen until after the Fed. So I won't keep you any longer. That's pretty much my wrap. We'll look at it first thing tomorrow morning, see what the flavor is. But really, again, you got the Fed at 2 o'clock. I think it's just going to be a choppy market tomorrow.